Struggling with your academic paper? In this video, I'll show you how to write a unique, plagiarism-free paper using one AI tool, Oreate AI. No more worries about AI detectors or reusing content. Let's get started. I will put the link in the description. Okay, this is the Oreate AI interface. First of all, we have to create an account. Simply click here and then create an account to sign in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. The first thing you're going to notice is the plus sign in the upper section. This gives you the option to add a new essay or upload a Word document. Next up are the tools in the top section. These are commonly known tools in Word documents, bold, italic, underline, strike through, and so much more. Font colors are right there along with the background color bullets and more. You also have the Smart tool here, offering options like smart formatting, deleting empty paragraphs, deleting spaces before paragraphs, and more. On the right side, you'll find the AI assistant where you can ask questions while writing your paper. You have a research section right here. Simply enter the topic you wish to search for. Format will be particularly useful for your studies. All right, now let's get started for this. You have three choices: upload a document, generate an essay, and generate an outline by topic. First, let's try the generate essay option here. We have to follow 3 steps: topic, outline, and generate essay. Let's start with the topic here in this box. I am typing the role of AI in mathematics education. Here you can upload any document as the topic or prompt. Also, next, set the reference between APAMLA Chicago or MAA this time. Let's start with APA in the end. Set the number of words you want to generate. You will find 3 options here. Just select as per your need, and once everything is set, move forward to the next step. Here you can notice that Oreate AI is generating the outline for our ESS, and it's done here. You can notice we have a title, introduction, findings, sub-findings, and a conclusion. If you need any customization, you can do it easily from here or can regenerate the outline in just one click. All right, once you are satisfied with the result, click on the next step button from here, and here it is. The Oreate AI is now generating the essay. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. The essay is ready. The result is amazing. Let's have a look after having a closer look at the paper. I can easily say that Oreate AI did a great job. It's really a great research paper, informative and well organized even. It provides citations for every information it provides. You can't imagine writing this kind of well-researched paper in a short time thanks to Oreate AI. And if you need some customization, you can do it here. The first thing to note is that you can drag and move sections. For example, if you want to adjust the layout for better presentation or professionalism, you can highlight the titles. This is especially important if you're submitting your paper to professionals. You want to change, for example, this part right here and then make it italic. You can do so right there. Also, for these keywords or this part right there, you can smart edit. You can change the body, change the color. From here, apply the bold letter or underline for smart editing. You can change, polish, shorten, expand, summarize, or continue writing. I'm going to make sure this is going to be shortened, and see right now is creating, or Oreate AI is making this part, the one selected, a little bit shorter. And casual, as you can see right there in real time, it's generating the new one. Basically the same idea, but now a shorter version. So I think this should be done in a few seconds, and we have it right there. So you can give up. That means you don't want it anymore. You can rewrite or replace the selected text, or you can just simply insert it below after the one you highlighted. For mine, I'm going to replace it, and there we have it. That's amazing. You can explore all the tools to make your content more captivating. All right, now come to the right side panel. Here you will find AI Assistant Research and Format tools. With the Assistant tool, you can ask any question and AI will give a proper answer. For example, I am asking, what is the importance of AI in the education sector? You can see AI is generating the answer. It's just like ChatGPT inside Oreate. Now you can use the answer from here and use it in your document. Okay, next in the research option, you can search for research papers and use and analyze them. Next in the format tab, you will find some document formats. You can use any of them. So now in this method, you can create any kind of research paper to download the document. Click on the download button from here, all right? If you are worried about plagiarism, then use the paraphrase feature. Once you are on this page, enter the text on this box and then hit the paraphrase button from here, and here it is. The new unique version of your article is ready. So you don't need to worry about plagiarism. In conclusion, Oreate AI is one of the best AI writing tools, especially for academic writing. So if you are a student or researcher, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. All right, friends. I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Oreate AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars, or if you want to earn money by making a kids channel. So I have already told in this video, so click left and watch the video completely, or if you want the best AI tools of 2025 for content creators, so click here to watch it. I will see you there. Bye.